Is it possible to become mindful in just 3 minutes? Well, let's find out. So sit, stand, or lie down, whatever is possible and convenient, and then gently close your eyes. Take one deep breath to help release stress and tension from your body and mind. And then return to your normal breathing pattern. Now simply observe your breath. Connect with your breath and connect with your body. Pay attention to how it feels to breathe, experiencing each individual breath and the sensations they create in your physical body. Feel the rising and falling of your belly, and feel the air entering your nostrils. Let your breath be your anchor to keep you in the present moment, not thinking about the past or worrying about the future. Allow yourself to simply be present, and be in this moment. So enjoy this state of simply being, experiencing life in this very moment, and taking in the feelings associated with this moment. Allow your breath to be calm and your body and mind to be relaxed as you follow the flow of your breath, breathing naturally and breathing calmly. Your breath is your center, so stay with your breath and make your breath your entire universe. Now take a deep breath and then slowly open your eyes. Now continue your day with a calm body and a clear mind. If you are new to meditation, then check out this next video, which is perfect for beginners, as it is easy and simple and something everybody can do. Namaste.